Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Chrome delete car updated. Begin by washing the car and drying it fully, then clean trim with isopropyl alcohol. Remove emblems and hardware gently, and label fasteners so reassembly is easier. Mask off paint, lights, and glass precisely, leaving only the trim exposed. Work in a dust-free area and plan for multiple thin coats rather than one heavy layer for best results. Select products designed for automotive trim and follow manufacturer instructions for surface prep and drying times. Start with a plastic adhesion promoter or primer, then apply 2 to 3 light coats of satin or gloss black paint. Allow proper flash time between coats and finish with a clear coat for UV protection and longevity. Keep ambient temperature and humidity in check to avoid bubbling and uneven texture on the trim pieces. When spraying, maintain consistent distance and overlapping passes for uniform coverage across each trim piece. If dust lands on wet paint, wait for cure then wet sand and polish to restore smoothness. Use proper PPE and ventilated space while spraying, and store painted parts in a protected area until fully cured. Reassemble pieces carefully and check alignment as you go to ensure a factory look without scratches or misaligned emblems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.